Are you aware that your Filipino business might be losing money every single day without you even realizing it? In the Philippines, many MSMEs struggle because they are still tied to manual, outdated systems that drain resources. Today, we are diving deep into the true cost of avoiding automation and how modern IT solutions can save your bottom line. Let's start with the biggest culprit: manual leakage. Piles of paper receipts and handwritten logs are more than just messy. Every time a staff member manually enters data into a spreadsheet, the risk of error grows exponentially. Research shows that manual entry leads to a 2% leakage statistic in revenue, which adds up to millions over time. Then there is the Viber trap. Many businesses manage orders and payments through cluttered chat apps. Compare that chaos to an automated dashboard. Real-time tracking gives you clarity and control that a chat app never could. The numbers don't lie. According to an AWS study, compliance costs can eat up $19 out of every 100. Furthermore, a 57% skills gap means your workforce is struggling to keep up with manual demands. So, how do we fix this? The solution lies in 3 simple, actionable steps toward digital transformation. Step 1. Cache to cloud. Move your financial tracking to secure, cloud-based systems for instant accessibility from anywhere. Step 2. Mobile-first inventory. Empower your warehouse staff to scan and track items using the devices they already have. Step 3. AI relationship bots. Use automation to handle customer inquiries instantly, ensuring no lead is ever dropped. Automation isn't just a luxury for big corporations. It is a necessity for every Filipino business that wants to thrive. Stop the leakage and start growing. It is time to embrace modern IT and automate to win. Visit our website or message us to learn how we can help your business transition today. The future is automated.